Didn't realize how big this guy was, so it's time for a special harvesting tool. Some of these squashes can get so big they just don't fit the sink very well. This particular squash is about 33 pounds, and I find the bathtub is the best way to get these clean, and just use one of these stiff bristle brushes here to really get it clean. And I find that it's almost indispensable to have one of these extension poles. That way you can really get some leverage and get this thing clean. And there is the final product ready for the dinner table.